Join me as we step inside this massive factory where salted duck egg yolks are made. We'll begin by inspecting the eggs for quality control and preparing a special brine solution made with earth salt, ware salt, and clean water to ensure the eggs are fully submerged for a period of 7 to 10 days. Some companies opt to extend this period to 30 days to ensure the yolks are adequately salted for various uses. After cleaning the approved eggs, those that remain intact are sent to automated cracking machines. These machines gently crack the eggs, separating the salted yolk from the more watery egg whites. Once the yolks are collected, dried, and thoroughly checked, they're ready to be packed. Workers carefully place the yolks in containers for packaging, but the journey doesn't stop here. Let's see where the rest of the yolks go. Mooncakes, a key feature of the Mid-Autumn Festival, are produced on a large scale through a detailed process to maintain both quality and quantity. The dough is made from a blend of savory and sometimes sweet ingredients, with fillings often including red bean paste. The key step, however, is adding the salted egg yolks into the center of the mooncakes. These yolks bring a savory punch, turning every bite into a delightful surprise. Historically, mooncakes were offered to the moon goddess Chang as a sign of gratitude and unity. Their round shape represents completeness and togetherness, symbolizing the bright, full moon. Families gather to enjoy mooncakes, celebrating their bond. Canned fruit cocktails are incredibly versatile. They can be served as desserts, added to salads, mixed into yogurt, or used for baking. They're also a convenient option for picnics or packed lunches. CP factory-prepared hard-boiled eggs are perfect for salads, sandwiches, or simply as a protein-packed snack. And blueberries, whether fresh or frozen, offer a quick, nutritious snack, perfect for smoothies or a cool treat on a hot day. Sausages are beloved worldwide as a breakfast favorite and grilling essential. But have you ever wondered how many sausages one person consumes annually? In the US, it's over 5 pounds per person each year. Sugar syrup-coated cookies are like rock stars in the cookie world. With their shiny surface and sweet flavors, they turn each bite into a mini celebration. Let's go to the next step. The cookies travel along conveyor belts and are showered with sugar syrup, coating them evenly before they cool down. The most important task here is for workers to separate each freshly coated cookie to prevent them from sticking together or ruining each other's appearance. Once cooled, the cookies are packed carefully into containers, ready to dazzle on your shelves. Making crepes is like painting on a canvas, with the batter as the paint and the robotic spatula as the brush. Potato chips, with their perfect crunch and satisfying saltiness, are a favorite snack. But remember, moderation is key. Although they're often considered a guilty pleasure, you can still enjoy them in a balanced way. Just be mindful of the sodium and fat content. Pancakes are a worldwide breakfast favorite, known for their light, fluffy texture. But filled pancakes with a surprise inside take the classic to a whole new level. The smell of pancakes cooking brings back fond memories, whether from a family tradition or a lazy Sunday morning. These filled pancakes strike the perfect balance between soft and crispy. Next, watch this mesmerizing sight of melted chocolate flowing smoothly from robotic arms. Oddly satisfying, isn't it? Cutting machines in the food industry are like artists, shaping dough into perfectly formed biscuits or shredding cheese for pizzas and nachos. These machines ensure consistency and high demand are met without sacrificing quality. It's amazing to watch them work with precision. Ever wondered how crispy chicken nuggets are shaped perfectly every time? It's all thanks to highly specialized cutters and machines that ensure uniformity and speed, boosting efficiency in production lines. These machines are programmed to handle everything from the initial shaping to the breading process, creating perfectly sized and textured nuggets. This level of precision is what makes the fast food nuggets we enjoy so consistently delicious and visually appealing. It's an industrial marvel that ensures every piece is identical and ready for cooking in no time. But it's not just the fast food favorites. Machines play a crucial role in the entire meat processing industry. From slaughterhouses to packaging, machines ensure that every piece of meat is processed to the exact specifications, maintaining hygiene standards and preventing contamination. With high-speed automated equipment, the industry can process vast amounts of meat while adhering to strict food safety regulations, making sure consumers get products that are both safe and consistent. These machines are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, turning raw ingredients into the food products we love. Automated sorting systems work tirelessly, efficiently categorizing everything from vegetables to meat cuts, while sophisticated cutters slice and dice with precision. It's through these advanced technologies that we are able to reduce food waste, cut costs, and maintain the highest quality standards across the board. Whether it's meat, vegetables, or snacks, these machines ensure everything is just right. And let's not forget about the fruits we consume. Juicy mangoes, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, are a healthy treat enjoyed by many around the world. But getting them from the farm to your table requires a series of finely tuned processes. Machines carefully sort, peel, and process the mangoes, ensuring that each fruit is handled with care and precision. Their gentle touch helps preserve the freshness, flavor, and nutrients, so that every bite of mango remains as delicious and nutritious as nature intended. These automated systems ensure consistency and freshness, even in large-scale production. For products like canned tomatoes or other preserved fruits and vegetables, packaging systems come into play. High-tech, automated heat-sealing machines work seamlessly to ensure that every can or jar is tightly sealed, locking in freshness and preventing spoilage. These machines don't just help keep food secure, they also protect against contamination and ensure that the products stay safe and shelf-stable for months or even years. The production lines for all these foods are carefully calibrated for maximum efficiency, with every machine in sync. Automated systems handle the sorting, processing, cooking, and sealing, all while minimizing human involvement. This level of automation not only speeds up production, but also helps reduce human error, making sure every item is up to standard. In some cases, products undergo final stages of cooling before they're packed and shipped. This ensures that they're safe, fresh, and ready for delivery to stores or directly to consumers. After the cooling stage, the packaging process begins, and the products are ready to make their way from the production facility to your home, often with minimal delay. It's an incredible journey, one that takes place behind the scenes, but makes the food we enjoy more convenient and accessible than ever. So next time you grab a bag of perfectly shaped nuggets or a perfectly sealed can of tomatoes, remember the machines that make it all possible. They play a key role in ensuring that food production is faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. And that's a wrap for today's behind-the-scenes tour of the food industry. From the intricate process of salted duck egg yolks to the high-speed machines shaping your favorite snacks, we've seen how technology is revolutionizing food production. The next time you enjoy a perfectly crispy nugget or slice of fruit, drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more incredible insights, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.